everyone, this is Train 70. Yesterday, I got a package from eBay. See? It says Trackmaster Thomas. So I'm gonna unbox it. It's already open, so it's taking it with inside. It's a Tomy Thomas with white running board. A white car. And a blue boxcar. Let's take a look at Thomas. Thomas has a white running board. He also has a red wine in the back of Thomas's bunker. This set who came with Thomas is Tomy Thomas Timber Yard with Tomy Terrence. There's a little bit damage, see? This thing is missing, so is the other one, and the bumpers are damaged. But don't worry, I can fix that. Thomas is in good condition, by the way. Let's take a look at the white car. This white car who came with a big hopper car, I think. It's in good condition, by the way. As you can see, I already have one, but I got two of them. You know, I would give this to my friend Jack, known as Trainboy 43. Next up is the blue boxcar. This blue boxcar who came with Trackmaster 2012 Thomas. It's in good condition, by the way. So I'm gonna get Thomas a battery so we can get a test one. So I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just put the battery inside Thomas and he runs well. See? He's running fast. Let's get it a test one, shall we? Well guys, that's it with an unboxing review and test one of Tomy Thomas, the white car, and the box car. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and we'll see you in the next video.